you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a product review by this air purifier. Do you want to know what my thoughts are going to be? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this just arrived. The company did send it to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me this air purifier to test out and show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, I'm super excited because we definitely love using air purifiers. And I definitely am excited to see how this is and put this baby to the test. So let's go ahead and learn a little bit about it. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to use it for some time, and then I will be back to finalize to tell you what my real honest opinion is after using it and testing it out. So this is the air purifier for home with air quality sensor, auto mode, timer, and 4 displaying colors. There's a 3-stage filter structure, and you can purchase filter replacements directly from their website as well. They have tons of different things on their website. Actually, I will link them all down below. You can definitely go check out this and anything else that they have to offer because there's tons of different things on their site. The air purifier filters is compressed of a pre-filter H13 true HEPA filter and active carbon to trap 99.97% or more of particles as fine as 0.3 microns. Like, this thing is going to get every little thing pretty much out of the air, and I love that. Healthy air provider. Air purifies for home, captures pet dander, that's amazing, pollen, allergens, oh, that's good too, smoke, odors, and dust from the air in order to create a healthy environment for you and your family. Especially around allergy season, that definitely does come in handy. If anybody does have allergies, that's cool. There's a smart auto mode equipped with a sensor for real-time air quality monitoring. The air purifiers for room automatically switches fan speed based on the air quality. Air purifiers for bedroom allows you to choose a suitable speed amongst low, medium, and high. So if you want it in your bedroom and you don't want to hear it too loud, you can literally change it to the different speed, or you can put it on auto if you have it anywhere else in the house, and it'll auto detect which speed it needs depending on your air quality. Very nice. High efficiency air cleaning. The CADR valve for this HEPA air purifier is 250 M3/H, which means it can circulate air in a 270 square foot room 5 times per hour. 324 square room is 4 times. With air inlets on all 4 sides of the air cleaner, you can put the large room air purifier anywhere in your home for 360 degrees of air circulation. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this baby in. I'm gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna use it for some time, and then I will be back to finalize and tell you my real honest opinion on how this baby works. So hold on. Okay, you guys, so now I am back to finalize my review with the air purifier. Now, I have to admit right off the bat, I'm super impressed with this one. Like, the first few days I plugged it in, I really didn't see anything with it, like changing its speeds, doing anything different. I would come home, turn it on. Okay, so every day when I get home, the first thing I do is turn this on. So the power button will illuminate a little bit so you know exactly where that is. You can press it. Kind of goes through to kind of see what kind of air quality you have currently so it can adjust. And now it is good. You can't even really hear this thing at the lower setting that it's working at now. If you go higher, it does have you can go to the sleep mode here. If you click that, then everything just goes away. So it's not going to have lights flashing or anything to bother you while you are sleeping. Or right here, you can change it yourself. Here's low. Here's medium, so you can start hearing it now. And then high. Blow, baby, blow. Now you can definitely hear it on the highest setting, but when it's on auto and it's just on the lower setting, you literally do not hear it. So now it's adjusting to my normal air quality, back to the auto setting, and it's back to low where you can barely even hear it. And then if you want to just turn the lights off, you just hit the light button and then you will have no lights at all, but it is still on, it's still doing auto, and it'll still do everything it needs to do. You just won't see any of the lights. And then you just hit it if you want them to go back on. You just hit the button right there. But then one day, I was spraying a room spray and the thing started going crazy. Like, it went all the way to red, it turned high, it was like, whoo, making all this noise. I'm like, whoa, what is it doing? And then it started going down. It went to like an orange, and then it went to the green, slower and slower, and then it went back to normal at the blue. And I'm like, what just happened? And I didn't click just yet until the next day after I was done cooking dinner. I sprayed the room spray again and it did the same thing. And I was like, oh, okay. And then one night when I was actually cooking dinner, it only happened one time. I did burn some shit. I did. Something burned and that thing started going crazy. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So putting it at the auto setting is absolutely amazing because it literally does the work for you. If anything comes around that's like a foreign scent or anything, if you spray perfume, room spray, if you burn something when you're cooking, if you're smoking or anything like that, anything goes around it that's not a clean, pure thing in the air, it just turns itself on. It knows how fast it needs to go, how long it needs to go until it purifies that air to its specifications and then calms itself back down and then works normally again. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you basically how it reacts if you spray a room spray, and I'm not going to be spraying near the machine, but I want you to see what the machine is doing. But if I were to spray a room spray like in this other room, it's detecting it, speeding up the fans. Working overtime. Now it's going to start to calm down. Now the fans are back to pretty much low. Now it's back to blue. So now I'm back to excellent air quality. I just think that is an amazing factor that it does it all on its own and it knows what to do and how to purify the air around you. I've noticed that the air quality just seems so much better in my house since replacing my old one with this one. I've used it now for at least a complete 2 weeks. I pulled out the filter. The filter still looks brand spanking new, but I don't know if I mentioned it before. You can purchase the actual replacement filters from their website as well. So after a time, if you do need to replace it, you can purchase the replacement filters from their website. But I just think this is an amazing, amazing air purifier. Right now, currently, they actually have it 50% off. This retail values for $129.99, but right now, again, it's 50% off and the sale is for $69.99. And I do see they have something called a shop pay where you can do 4 payments of $14.49. So basically you can break up those payments if you would like to grab it while it's on sale. If it's not on sale anymore or it doesn't have that good of a sale, they did provide my own code, which gives you 40% off. But again, it's already 50% off, so that's a better deal. But if it was not on sale at the time and you're interested, you can use my code, which is 40 SHEC. That'll get you 40% off. Again, unless there's another promotion going on, because it won't go if it's already on sale. You're not going to get an additional 40% off. But right now, being 50% off, that's an amazing deal. I actually had some friends over and I was actually showing them how neat it was. And I would spray room spray. I would make the thing go off to show them, and literally while she's in front of me. After I just showed her how it worked, she went on their website and she already bought one. So it's an amazing air purifier. I just love how it does the auto setting. And then if you did put it in your bedroom, if you press that sleep button, it just turns like all the lights off on the top. So it's not going to bother you. You're not going to have the bright lights while you're trying to sleep or anything like that. And then it brings it down to just like a low setting. And that's awesome too. I have mine just in my living room. That's where I'm going to keep this one. And it's working perfectly. I think this would be an amazing gift idea. Christmas is coming up. I think I even might get some for gifts because air purifying is an amazing thing for our health, our longevity. So breathing in clean air is really, really important, especially nowadays with so much stuff going on, so many more pollutants and allergies and just anything. So I just think it's a really important thing to have clean air, especially in your own personal space, in your own home environment. That's where you can at least control it. So I think that that's an amazing thing that they have something like this. So you can purify your air in your own home. So you can have the best breathing quality air that you can. And that's what I believe this thing does. This particular one is meant for large space rooms as well. So even if you have a small room or a large room, this will do it for you. It'll handle the area. And I really like the fact that the colors mean the actual air quality in the room. Where the other one that I had, you could just have it own your own color just because you just want a fancy color. It didn't actually mean anything whatsoever other than the color. So I was always turning that light off and it was annoying. This one I don't need to turn it off because that's telling me my air quality. You can turn it off if you don't want to see it though, but I like seeing it because then I know what my air quality is at any given time. So the blue is excellent. That's normally where mine is all the time unless we're doing something different and it needs to clean for its own time. Green is good. Then there's orange, which is moderate, and red is poor. And red is when it's like sounding the alarms, it's going as high capacity, trying to just clean the air as much as it can. And then it just, goes to the orange, the green, and then it'll go to the blue, which means excellent air quality that you're breathing in. So I really do like that. And I like that you can buy the replacement filters directly from their site. They do have other options. So if you're wanting something smaller or something bigger, they have several different air purifiers to offer on their website. Again, they will be all linked down below. So that is everything that I have for this particular product. Again, I'm so glad that they sent this to me because I never knew that there was better air purifying devices out there other than the one that I had. And this one definitely tops the notch. It's high end. It does its own thing. And I'm super, super impressed with it. So let me know, do you guys have an air purifier? Do you want to get one? Are you interested now in this one? This one, I'm telling you, is amazing. And I love that it does it all on its own. And if you don't want it to be the auto setting, you can just change it to the low, the medium, the high, whatever you would like to do. But I just absolutely love this air purifier. So there's that. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.